back at Leah's and we are like, what, 95% there?
Maybe for the downstairs, we're 90.
90.
For the downstairs.
For the downstairs,
Yes.
okay. For the downstairs. But everything is coming out so pretty. So we're in the living room. We've got the couch back. We've got the pretty pillows made. We just got this fabulous coffee table from Malachite. We've got this beautiful chair where we've got this really pretty silk pinstripe on the front, and then we did this really fun floral on the back, which picks up our great tropical toile fabric with our green trim. We've got our 2 swivel chairs right there. We're gonna make a really pretty pillow for here that's coming to bring in a little more color. And of course, all of Leah's beautiful antiques. We hung this new, more modern fixture, which is looking really great. Yeah, this room just is really coming together and feeling great. And then this room has had a complete transformation. Remind me, what color was that?
This is Purbeck stone.
Purbeck, and this is skimming stone?
Skimming stone.
Yeah, so they just like flow so beautifully. This color just came out so pretty, and we just hung these curtains, which I think look great. This is a sew from CB2. The fabric is so pretty, this boucle. We've got the acrylic table. All these furniture pieces do come in super low, right, Leah?
Right.
They're low. So we are gonna get some new legs for it and raise it on up. We've got some different pillows coming. We love these, and we've got some butterfly pillows to tie into all of it. And then this dining room is to die for with this wallpaper, this Schumacher wallpaper, and this beautiful lavender. So I'm just thrilled with the way this came out. We've still got a table. We've got to find a table.
Yes.
That's got to come. But we did do these chairs, which we've had Neil auction, right?
Right.
Yeah, Leah got these from Neil auction. Do be careful with auction finds. We had to redo the wood.
That was
It was like such a budget. We were like, oh my gosh, we just got these chairs for so little. But then we had to redo the wood and reupholster them. So we reupholstered them in this really pretty fabric. And then the back is really kind of fun, where we use this super wide stripe fabric. So like this one has a center of a white stripe. This one, you can see we did a center of this more dark gray. This one's more silver. So there's like 4 or 5 different stripe colors. And so that's kind of fun to bring in a little bit modern of an edge into the room. And we've got curtains coming.
Yes.
The top is the 130, 129, 127, 126, 125.
I like them to fit the window, so like 124.
124?
I like them to fit the window. I'm not one of those.
Okay,
You have pretty windows. I don't like to make it taller than the
Yeah, I
window.
don't either.
Which is going to be huge, which we're going to do a really pretty cornice of them and then bring them down, and it's kind of this silvery, soft color. And then of course the kitchen. The kitchen came out so well. So yeah, we've got the kitchen, we've got the open shelving. You know, again, this used to be such a closed-in space. These windows were over here and looked onto the property next door. And so you kind of hit the back of the house and didn't get to enjoy the backyard. So we've opened it up now. We've got the windows. You can see the light. You can see her umbrella out the window. As you can see, we've got all this beautiful accessory stuff. You can see the way the spoons and everything are used, the marble, the natural materials. But this is, you're loving it, right?
I love it.
Love
It's
it.
great. It's so
Loving
good.
it. And then we snuck in here. This is the laundry right in here, and we've got her pantry here. Here's where we really open. This window used to be here, and now it's there. And then this is going to be a big set of French doors with transoms. So we've completely, the whole back of the house used to be basically closed off. You used to have a little tiny single door in the middle of the hallway where the laundry is, and this backyard is amazing. Yay! Sylvia has her pool finally, and it is just a vacation in the city. So it worked out so well. And she's gonna sit above, right? So you'll have the arch this way, and then she'll come out above the arch that way.
Do you anticipate this being more of a lip shape, where we have a couple?
Yeah, just really round it out. All right, so everything is always harder than it seems. So downstairs we have Elaine who's waiting to put up the curtain. And up here, Milo is working his magic to create a frame for us to put this on there. And he also worked his magic on this headboard. These are these old Italian 12 beds, which are really hard to find. So 2 twins makes a king. So there's 2 that are not exactly matching, but we're gonna use them side by side. And it's just kind of the quirkiness of finding antiques. Which is so good to figure out a way to both raise it and stabilize it at the same time. All right, so Milo, this was harder than we thought, huh?
It's easy. We gotta bring it down there, they gotta staple it to it.
But how long to put the sunburst, you think? How long until they can do something?
Another hour.
Another hour. All right, so Ruth, what's today's problem?
AC. Can't you tell I'm hot and sweaty?
It's 80 degrees outside, and it's probably 80 degrees in here.
It's not. It's 77.
It's so we got problems.
So,
We got problems.
maybe this is our solution. Hello? Yes?
Is this the AC guy?
Yes. Okay. Something, I mean, you guys have done a lot of work for me.
Ruth's going in the closet.
Milo.
She's gonna go hide in the closet.
Oh, Monday, fudge ripple. They think it's a compressor. And I'll pay, overtime fees or something like that. I mean, okay, appreciate it. All right, bye-bye.
Any chance for today?
Maybe.
Oh.
The dishwasher guy, the guy came from Ferguson to pick it up. And I said, you're not supposed to pick it up because we're gonna change the fuse until I get the new one. That's the fuse. It's the size of a
Yeah,
pea.
it's tiny.
Well, I said an eraser,
It is.
pencil eraser.
Okay, so we just have to change the fuse.
Yes, so the guy is supposed to be here between 8 and 5.
Okay.
Nice window. Isn't that nice?
8 to 5.
Quit. Yeah, zoom in on no makeup. Thank you.
You got it working?
I did.
How'd you do that, Ruth?
Well, I opened the access candlestick, turned it off, said a couple Hail Marys, and turned it back on.
Now this side here, this side here's gotta go way up.
This could go up a smidgen, just a smidgen. Somehow I
Oh
don't
no, we're gonna try to get it up.
know.
Yeah.
side's perfect. Yeah.
This side has to go up.
No, we're talking about something.
Yeah, we're talking about the pleat, Milo. See how the pleat's opening up?
Yes, ma'am.
That was perfect.
I'm sure there's a way later. Not to, do you mind not today?
All right.
I mean, I don't know what we're doing.
Wait, do we need to take it? I'd rather take it down right now and fix it if we need to.
Then you know what? She wants to take it down right now. I have to fix that little pleat. I really do. I just have to undo it. I feel terrible, but it was so hard to. It just needs to come up just a half an
This is
inch.
not a regular job.
I know it isn't.
Okay, let me just get it tight to the ceiling, and you can just hold it up and staple it with a gun. Nobody's gonna look up there.
I know, but there's a cord in there. If you can, I mean, you'd have to take it down a little bit. I'm just
I'll do whatever you want.
tuck a little staple in here.
I think
Just
that
put a
would be
little
fine.
staple right there.
Yeah.
Just put a little staple right there. That's
Wait,
fine.
hang on. And wait, maybe here. What do you think?
I'm gonna
What, see how it, see, we can't raise it up to see how it looks.
Well, I can't, once I raise this side up, it ought to be better
No,
for
but I
you.
mean, because I can't pull it up
You
yet.
see the crack right here?
Yeah.
I need to get all that tight. I can't just leave it
Okay.
like that, and I think that might get you where you want to go, and then you can just probably bob it up there.
Possibly if we just put a little.
Well, yeah, I
staple
think
right
if we
there
just
without
put a little
the thing.
staple right there, we're
Okay,
good.
well, then
Yeah.
that's good.
Okay, we're
Then
good.
you keep doing your job.
Yeah, we're good. Oh, it's just perfect. So we got a lot going on here. Milo's getting the lights up. Mac always by his side. And then look at what we got going in here. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so cool. Wait, hold on, it's gotta come to the center. It's gotta come to the center. No, what other panel?
Wait, what's wrong?
There's no other panel.
Yes.
Is this panel?
What is this one?
It goes from
You
here
put
to
this in front. This is one in the middle.
No, this isn't how I saw it. I want that at the center, and I want the panel on front, in the front of it. Yeah.
Oh, that's not the way I drew it. You said this one way, and then this one will come in front of it, and it's.
Yeah,
like
but this still needs to come to the
Oh,
center.
you want that whole thing to cover
Yes.
the whole thing?
Yes.
Oh,
Lindsay, are you still there with us?
she's following her call.
Just give me a staple there.
You did a great job. I had my minor freak out, but you did a great job. Yeah.
You get to do the honors of putting it on the bed.
Honors.
Okay, let's see. Birds up, birds up.
And this pillow is so beautiful. We'll zoom in. This is the Pierre Freight, and you can see she did this little cording out of the stripe. And then beautiful array. We'll just kind of throw this over there for now till we get the big tie backs. And should be into the bed. We don't have any light bulbs yet, but you know, I think there's small things. Small things. We just need the tie backs and make it over. And a quilt. Quilt will make a big difference.